Plasmacluster ions reduce odors such as cigarette smoke, cooking smells, pets, and perspiration, even those that are embedded in carpets, drapery, and furniture. In this experiment, we will demonstrate that the strong odor of household ammonia is eliminated by using Plasmacluster ions. First, we are spraying ammonia onto a paper ring. Ammonia is colorless but full of strong and unpleasant odor. When pH solution is applied to the paper, the ammonia appears blue. After Plasmacluster ions are dispersed onto the paper changes to yellow. This color change represents the ammonia broken down, chemically altered, and the odor is virtually eliminated. Consider how well Plasmacluster ions could remove your household odors.